What's going on, Brews? I'm going to be showing you the best crypto wallet for beginners that is also iPhone friendly. Okay, so if you want to get into the cryptocurrency game, specifically using your phone, I definitely recommend using Coinbase. Now, I'm going to, show you my account on here. I'll throw some links in both the description and comments if you guys want to sign up and get some free crypto straight from me. Okay, anyways, I've also got the cool rocket ship wallpaper here on this iPhone. I just kind of think it looks pretty sweet. It's like a crypto-themed wallpaper. But anyways, I'm going to open up the Coinbase app here, and you're going to see currently I've got around like 10,000 in my account. So, I've had more at times. I've actually had less too, but like for the last year, this account's gone up from like, 1,000 or two to like 10,000, but I've had almost like 30K in here. Now, the cool thing about Coinbase is, their app is, super user friendly. It's very easy to navigate. It's also very similar to like the Robinhood. If you use this, the Robinhood stock trading app, you'll definitely feel at home using this. Now, as far as like being able to pull up some of the different coins on here, currently they've got over, 20 coins. I think like 22 different coins as of right now. You can pull up graphs for the pricing on these coins. I've got XRP pulled up. This is just a coin that I'm holding. It's actually most of my holding on here. I've got like 54,000 coins of this. But, if you wanted to make a trade on here, you'd literally just type in how much you want to buy of any of these coins. It connects to your debit card checking account. You can also set up recurring purchases on here for different coins, which is kind of a newer thing. It's pretty cool though. So I mean, as far as like being able to buy and sell, it's very easy to do on here. Now let me pull up like Bitcoin as an example, because most people are, just familiar with Bitcoin. But like I said, you can pull up, the different prices for Bitcoin on here. So you can, just kind of scroll through it, and then you can go down. You can check out the trading activity, the volume, how long people are holding this. They've also got a really cool news feed, so you can actually set up notifications straight to your phone for getting news for any crypto coin that you buy on here. And that's basically the layout of it. You can see my account up here though. Like I said, I've had, it's kind of gone down a little bit for like the last month, but you can see here, kind of like the chart of how it's grown over time. So, I kind of know what I'm doing here, and hopefully that XRP coin pops off in the future. Now, I'm going to give you 3 top recommendations. I've been doing this lately for some coins. If anybody wants to get started with crypto, XRP would definitely be a coin I'd recommend checking out since I own so much of it. It's a banking token. And then the next coin here would be the basic attention token. This is an advertising token. Its all-time high price was around like 90 cents. Right now it's at like 22 cents. It's connected with the Brave browser, but I think it's definitely a coin worth looking at. And based on its price right now, I think it's definitely pretty juicy, and I would definitely check that one out. Now, the last coin on here I'm going to throw up is Ethereum. I think Ethereum is a safe coin to get. Based on its price point right now at around $200. And if you don't want to buy full coins, you could buy like, portions of coins on here, like fractional portions as well. But that's it, guys. Definitely check out Coinbase. It's very user-friendly. You can get some free crypto from me, like I said, by checking out the links in both the description and comments. Now, as a bonus tip here, I'm going to throw up this really cool crypto stack, the crypto trading course. If you guys want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency specifically using your phone, this is a great course. It'll teach you some of the ins and outs, some different trading styles. Plus, instead of trying to figure out everything yourself, you can definitely get some good pointers here, and it's definitely worth, the price of admission. So I'll throw a link down there for this one as well. And, like I said, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto news content, best coins to get, etc. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.